Hi everyone, welcome back to the Nairobi Natural channel. So today I am sharing my bentonite clay recipe. If you're looking to detox your scalp, if you would like to enhance your natural texture, then you're definitely in the right place. Before we jump in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if you're excited to try this out. Let's get started. So just as a brief introduction, bentonite clay is a kind of volcanic ash and it is known for its detoxifying properties. And so this makes it perfect for natural hair when you're trying to get rid of buildup without stripping away your precious oils. Another benefit is that it's packed with minerals like calcium, silica, and magnesium that help to nourish your hair. For this recipe, you will need a glass bowl for mixing everything, your bentonite clay of course. In my case, I got the Indian healing clay from Jumia. You will also need some Shikakai powder and Aritha powder. These two powders are optional. I am trying to use a lot more Ayurvedic herbs in my regimen, and that's why I chose these two powders. You will need a mixing spoon and a measuring spoon. You'll notice that I do not use any metallic items for this particular mixture. That's because bentonite clay will absorb the metallic ions from the metals and this will contaminate the clay. So please do not bring anything metallic in contact with this mask. For this particular recipe, I used 4 tablespoons of bentonite clay, heaped tablespoons, 1 tablespoon of Aritha powder, and 1 tablespoon of Shikakai powder. Now feel free to make adjustments as you need, right? Because there's some people who have more hair than I do, some people who have less. So just feel free to play around with these measurements until you find the quantities that work for your hair. Once I had all these powders in my bowl, then I went ahead and mixed it in with some water. You can also use aloe vera juice or apple cider vinegar. Aloe vera juice and the apple cider vinegar, they're both very good at balancing out the pH in your scalp, and so they are good liquid alternatives to work with. Be sure to add the liquid a little bit at a time until you get your desired consistency. Personally, I like my mask thick, almost like a paste, because I like to apply my mask with my hands onto my hair. For those of you who would like your mixture more runny, just add more of the liquid. One of the things that I really like about bentonite clay is how versatile it is. There's so many ways of preparing this mask. You could add carrier oils, you can add your favorite essential oils, you can add Ayurvedic herbs like I did in this particular situation. So feel free to just experiment with this recipe. And that's it, guys. The mask is ready. It is ready for application. I will be sharing a video on my Instagram where I show how I apply the mask onto my hair. If that's something that you're interested in, feel free to head on over onto my Instagram account. I will share my handle in the description. But that's it. The mask is ready. And there you have it, a simple and effective DIY bentonite clay hair mask for natural hair. Give it a try and let me know in the comments how it worked for you. If you enjoyed this video, Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss a DIY recipe from the Nairobi Natural. Until next time, happy masking!